All right, what's up, Algebra 1? I'm going to be completely honest with you. I had some problems up here ready to go, and then my computer crashed. And I don't really feel like going through the effort of typing out all those problems again, so I'm just going to write them up here, and we're just going to go from there. So, today, what we are going to be looking at is how to multiply different variables. And honestly, it's not even that bad. And I'll show you what I mean. So let's say I've got an expression where I want to multiply x times y. This is how easy it is. If I want to multiply x times y, all I have to write is xy. Done. Done deal. And if I want to multiply a times b together, I would just say ab. That's how easy it is to multiply two different variables. Remember, variables represent numbers. We don't know what those numbers are, but we can certainly represent them with a variable. So what if I've got x times a times y? Now, an acceptable way of writing this is xay. Absolutely. Typically in math, we want to write these in alphabetical order. I don't know, it seems to make a little bit more sense in a mathematician's mind. So if I wanted to write this in alphabetical order, I'd obviously start with A, and then I'd go to X, and then to Y. So normally we like to write these in alphabetical order, but we don't have to. In multiplication, they're just like, oh, we're just going to multiply everything together. It doesn't matter which order we put it in. So now, what if I've got a coefficient in front of one of these? Like, oh, I don't know. Let's pick 2. Let's say 2a times 4b. Here's how we do that. We multiply the numbers together first. So we take this 2 times 4, and we get an 8. Right? And then we multiply the variables together, a times b. And I just say ab. Again, they're just variables, so we just write them like that. So 8ab would be my answer there. What if I've got what if I've got something like 10s times 4t? What would your answer for that be? Take a moment and try that one out. Come on. There we go. Try that one out quick. All right, hopefully you got 40st. Multiply the 10 and the 4 together first, and then you just leave s and t as they are, because again, they're variables. What if I've got, let's do a little bit of a bigger number this time. Let's do 10r times, let's say 15. 10r times 15b. So 10 times 15, use a calculator, that's 150. 150rb is one possible answer we can have. Another possible answer is 150br. Each one is the exact same answer. I just wrote the variables in a little bit of a different order. Because once again, in multiplication, it's implied that you're just combining everything through multiplication. So it doesn't matter which order we write the variables in. As long as your number comes first, you're good to go. All right, let me give you a challenge one quick. Let's say 3a times 4b times 5c. This will be our last problem for us. So pause the video, try that one out quick. Okay, hopefully you tried that one out. Here's the answer. Multiply the 3 and the 4 and the 5 together. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 5, that's 60. So we have an A times B times C, so ABC. And that's how we multiply variables together. We just kind of write them out. So that's all I got to show you for today. Keep an eyeball out on Classroom for any other assignments. If you've got questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.